Hi guys, welcome back with David Setiabudi and Snake. I'm Snake. Now I'm going to continue our tutorial, which is shooting game part 2. And here we can use the software is Adobe Director 12 or Macromedia Director 8.5. Okay, let's begin. Now I'm going to delete this. Okay. In the first tutorial, you see that the snake is going like this. And when you shoot it, it's going to change places. See? It changed places. Okay? Now, in this second tutorial, I'm going to make a score. Not this kind of score. This one is called stage. This one is score and this one is cast. But the score that I'm going to make is the score of shooting this snake here, this caterpillar. I mean, you see that when we're going to shoot this, we are going to make a score from it. So, what do we do? Now, I'm going to click this and write down here and type score. No, or maybe 0. Okay, if you want to change the color, block it, block like this. Choose, then you don't use double click, but instead you click down and you change the color to maybe red, like this, and you change it from copy into the background transparent. See? This one is scoring. I put it below, lower, in the lower sprite or lower layer. Here I write down the score here as my score. Okay, this is my score. My score, and it's filled with letter of score 0. Now, there's no connection between shooting a caterpillar. There's still no connection. So, all you have to do is to connect this with this. So, let this score here know that we shoot this caterpillar. So you see script, left click script, and you see that when it's mouse down, caterpillar, timer, and the timer is from. Please refer and see the first tutorial. And for the score, you can add here my score or my score now. Okay, you can name it as you want. My score now is plus, let's say plus 13, maybe plus 13. So, do you think it's already done and it can change this? No. You see, when I click, there's no change in here. But actually, the score is changed, but only in the computer's mind. It's not written here. So, the score is changed in the computer's mind. 13, 26, 39, and so on. But it's not written there. So, we got to make it written in the scoreboard. Okay? Now, you see the scoreboard names here is my score. So, I click this and right click and script. Here I type member, my score, text. You choose this, my score, right here, but it will be error, I think, but let's try. It's not error. Oh, see, it's error. What happened? Don't you want to know? You see, in the first caterpillar, the score is not showing or make any effect. So, let's investigate. So, this is the first caterpillar showing, and we see left click script. You see, oh, you think that you have typed the script, but you didn't see there. Because of what? Because this is the caterpillar 1. And for the caterpillar 2, the second caterpillar, here, you see, left click, right click script, you see, there's my score. But when the second caterpillar is pressed, it's so after we fix this, we will copy the my score here, the 2 lines here to the first caterpillar. So my score now is 13. You see this score is number. So when you want to put number, you put here as a string my score now. Okay, let's see, the first caterpillar script of scoring, second one is 52. How come it's come 52? 65, 13, but in the beginning it should be 13, right? So what happened? Don't you want to know?
Well, I'm curious. Maybe you are a fool. You make a wrong programming. The first one should be 13. Okay, make it stop, David.
Okay, I will stop it, and then let's replay the game. Okay, let's check it out.
Oh, play.
Okay, I play, and I click. Oh. 91.
91.
The first 91. 170. Let's stop and let's begin from the start. It's strange, right? It started from the last score I played. What happened?
Yeah, what happened?
Okay, I will explain. The last score that we make is 130. So whenever we start the game again, the score will start as 130. So we got to reset it in the first stage, we got to reset it into 0. So here I'm going to first thing first. This is the first caterpillar. It doesn't show any scoring, but the second one shows scoring. So I'm going to copy this. Copy this into the first caterpillar. Okay, there are two kinds of caterpillar. So here I'm adding my score. Don't forget to add and the global above. So I'm going to shoot the caterpillar. See? And the first or second caterpillar is going to score. But the second problem is, whenever you start the game, it started with the last score. So here's what to do. Select all of this and move it here. I'm going to make it as a stage 1. Okay? This is the opening game. This is a marker. Okay? This is a marker. You click it here. Right here you can make a marker. So in this first stage, I'm going to change the variable. This is my score now. Okay, I click in the black area. My global my score now. My score now is 0. This is where the time to reset. So the score is 0. And then remember, my score now text is copied here. Okay, I copy it and paste it here. So I print my score text into 0. It's printed here. So it's stage 1. Stage 1, reset the score. Reset my score now. Okay. So when we are playing this is the opening game. Imagine you put some start button or other things. And you see? See? Okay? Now, it's already correct that it started with 0. But, you see, this is the first stage. A game should have win and lose condition. So, let's make a rule here. So, in the first stage, let's say I make about 10 caterpillars. So if you want to pass the first stage, you got to shoot at least 7 caterpillar from 10. Minimum 7. You can shoot 7, 8, 9, or 10. The minimum is 7. So I will see. I'm counting 1. It's too fast. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 caterpillars. So I'm going to add more caterpillars. I add 10. So this is the 5th. Okay, I copy paste this. You can change the route if you want, but I got to explain you fast. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add more. Five. So this is 10 caterpillars. Okay, 10 caterpillars. Let's see. This is ends in 680. 680. So this one is the blood. No. Okay. This target loop is from the first into 680. So here I'm going to type it extends from 20 to 680. See? Okay, so this one goes to 682. Okay, now the stage is begin with my score 0, and it's not just scoring, but you have a minimum target 7 from the 10 snake. So I'm going to add here the winning condition, winning stage 1, and this one is game over stage 1. Okay, so this is the first opening game, and then it can go to winning stage 1 or game over stage 1. I'm going to give here a pause. Stop here, double click this, and I type down for the script is go to the frame. This is stopping or pause. See, when I play this, it will stop here. Okay, and then I need pause. Okay, pause. I copy this pause. I color this red. Red here. I copy this and I paste it here. Paste here and here. In the winning stage, I put a picture, maybe this one. And I type down here, you win for stage 1. Okay. And for the game over, I put this caterpillar. So it's going to say you lose. Yeah, you lose. Okay. Background transparent. Okay. Okay, this is the winning and losing. Okay, see, this is the winning. So after you play the game, open the game, and you jump to the stage 1, then you shut all of the caterpillars, and then in the end, there is something who examine you, your score, or your minimum target. If you are above 7 or above, you are going to the winning stage 1. But if you less than 7, then you go to game over stage 1. So I think the score here doesn't connect with the minimum shot. So I mean like this, you are in the stage 1, the score is 0. So the score, whenever you are reaching in the, if you succeed in stage 1, you got the score of 100. And then whenever you are going to the second stage, your score is continuing from 100. It's not resetting. The score still 100, and you go 101, 102 until 200 in the second stage. But the minimum shot in stage 1, we can say 7 from 10 caterpillars, and then in the second stage there is another result that says you must shoot 9 caterpillars from 15, for example. So the variable is different. So this is my score now and this is my shot. My shot in the first stage is also 0. This is my shot. You can display it in this or not, it's up to you. But I'm going to display. This is my shot. So my shot here will be blue color. And let's say I must shoot from 7. From 10. I choose here and make it background transparent. Maybe in yellow. Okay. Now this is called my shot minimum and my shot now and maximum. Okay, then the first one is my shot is 0 and my shot minimum. My shot minimum is 7.
Nah, di atas ini ada folder My Document, video, downloadnya di situ.
Okay, I think just that. For my shot 10 or what, you can give it from the caterpillars here. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. It's 10 caterpillars. So my shot minimum is 7. If you after you count the caterpillars, you can write down here my shot maximum. My shot maximum is 10. So I'm going to write down here is my score here is score. So it will be showing this as a score 26 with this one. Okay. And then after that, this one is called the second one. This one must go to 680. So I paste it here, 680. It's called the my shot maximum. So the my shot maximum will be first is my shot is 0, my shot, and then n. This one, you see this. It's written down as this one with n. Okay. And
itu ada satu space kosong. Itu buat apa?
String. This is my shot is 0, and then not my shot but my shot maximum. You can show my shot minimum in the first stage. You can say please shot 7 from 10. Okay, but this is showing my shot and my shot maximum. So okay, my score now, my shot maximum. Okay, then in the caterpillar we are going to add another variable, which is my shot maximum, and so on. We are going to add here so copy this from the first of the stage, and then I give in the caterpillar like this. My shot maximum. The my shot maximum is 10. It doesn't change, but my shot is changing after you mouse up me or you shot the caterpillar. Then my shot here will be added 1. Okay. My shot is added 1. This is the first caterpillar. You add it into the second caterpillar. Don't forget to add the global, because if you don't, you will make an error. Okay. Now let's begin to test. Okay, let's start from this. Still 0. And 7 and so on. Oh, the score is not changing. Okay, this is the first one, and it should say score like this. Okay. Please understand what you are typing, so that you will understand the meaning of this programming. So let's play. See? So I'm going to explain you one more time that this one is changing my score into adding each shotted caterpillar will add 30, and it will show for in the my score. Here's my score. Okay, it's showing in the my score. And then the second one is my shot now maximum will show my shot 1 caterpillar, 2 caterpillar, and divided here but with the my shot maximum.
Terus gimana?
The total
Kamu harus beli ya?
caterpillar that is existed here. So
Iya.
after you are shooting all of it,
Iya kan?
we make in the last part here is win or lose. We didn't know. So I'm going to get from this one. I copy the global first and I write down here. Then we make an if then. If in here we got to understand that we want to put a reason for winning or losing. The winning stage is when you shot a caterpillar. My shot here at least 7, 8, 9 or 10. But if you shot 1 up to 6, you are going to game over. So you got to understand what you are typing, what you want. After that, you can write it down here. Okay. First, if my shot is lower than my shot minimum, my shot here, you can shot 1, 2, 3 or 5 or up until 10. We didn't know how many you shot, but if you are below my shot minimum, which in the first time we say it's 7, so you are going to game over stage 1. Go to game over stage 1. And then you put else here. If you are should the same with my shot minimum or higher, then you go to winning stage 1. See? Okay, that's simple.
Yang aku tampilin di situ adalah 0/10.
Okay, let's test it out.
Ketika kamu
Here.
nembak sampai
I forgot.
Kamu berhasil.
Whenever I make a button here, is a start button.
0/10. Harusnya
Start.
0/7. Jadi aku kasih ulatnya sampai 15. Pokoknya.
Remember, this is only 50% viewing. So the real game is this big. See? And the real game is this big. So in this start button, when you play this, you see it stopped there. Cannot move. But when you press it, it should move to here. Supposed to be. So this start button, I'm going to name it start button. In this start button, I right click and script. I type go to stage 1. Go to stage 1. Okay, let's begin. Play this. I press this. This is the okay, we are going to 7. And then what happened? You win. Okay, and then we are going to see what happened here when we lost. Okay, play. I see 3, only 3. Okay, let's see what happened. whether it's going to the winning stage or the game over stage 1. What say you, Snake?
Oh, let's see. Oh, you lose. I see. So when we shot or shoot, when we shoot less than 7, it goes to game over. Is it right?
That's right, Snake. So, I think this tutorial is finished for the second session. And I hope you subscribe and please comment anything. You like it or you don't. Okay? Bye-bye.